I noticed that the pencil moved back and forth.
Exactly. This experiment that you just performed is definitely different from a hinge, but the purpose was to show the direction in which a hinge joint allows motion. Do you know where this kind of joint is present in the body?
The parts of our body that move back and forth would be my fingers and toes.
You're right, son. But that's not all. The hinge joints are also present in the ankle, knees, and elbows.
Oh, yes, I should have thought harder.
You're doing a great job. Now, let me tell you about this one joint that is very different from the others. These joints are present between bones of the head, and these bones cannot move at these joints.
Wow, this is new. But how?
Alright, let's try something. Open your mouth wide.
But I'm able to move my jaws, Dad. So, how are these joints different? I do not understand.
Did you notice that when you opened your mouth, only your lower jaw is moving and not the upper jaw?
Oh, yes, you're right. I cannot move my upper jaw at all.
Yes, Arjun. Just like the upper jaw, all the joints above that cannot move.
What are these joints called, Dad?
These joints are called fixed joints.
Oh, that's pretty easy to remember.
Let's play a game, shall we?